Today on the workbench we have the Philco NT-602, made in the USA in 1964. I was only told it didn't work, so let's give it some power and see what's going on. Maybe we can bring another bit of history back to life. That's pretty ugly. Corroded battery connector and some corrosion on the speaker. Let's see if it will power up. Oh, we hear crackling. Any stations? No. No stations. And the tuning knob is very stiff. Okay. I think we understand it. We'll recap it. We'll see if this is a kind of speaker we could replace. And anything else we discover. Alright. Schematics are always helpful. I managed to find a Beatman guide for the radio. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one I think is bulging. Now this trace broke, so I'm just going to bend this over to kind of join up. And maybe I'll bend this up a little bit to help remind me. Well, I think we're done with the caps. Let's see if we can replace this corroded battery connector with something a little nicer. I think I know where the ground connector goes, but I want to do a continuity check just to make sure. That's where I thought it was going to go, and it is there. Yep. All right, let's just do a quick test to see if this new battery holder is working better. All right, that still works. All right, let's get the new speaker in. The new one is just a little teeny bit smaller than the old one. So let's 3D print an adapter ring, and we'll use that. Okay, we're back with the adapter ring. This should allow this to fit in, and then we can mount it in the container. First thing we need to do is glue it in place. Alright, I think this is dry enough, so let's get this mounted. Alright, and something I like to do every step of the way is make sure things are still working. So let's even try a battery test here. I hear something. That's good.
On the 10 here as flashes. There was a car stuck in the center divider right at Robertson, and there's still some brake light.
Sounds pretty good. Let's put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll be making more. And if you see anything I missed, again, please leave a comment. I'm here to learn. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.